All right, hi Jim. It's Dr. Gerry Cuomo. Okay, so here we are with your Monotrac system set up. So what I did was I took an impression, I put the premolar number 12 in the impression, and then I poured it. And before I did that, I had to relieve one, two, three, four of your points so that this portion of the tooth would fit into that area. And then I poured it, and then of course I trimmed it out, and I have several of these models. Some of them have this all areas filled in, but just to make a long story short here, the idea is to get this so that you can put in a different tooth each time, so it's replaceable. Let me just lower the light a little bit so you can see what this looks like. There we go. Okay. So you get the idea now. Now, if I want to wax a case up or wax a tooth up, I put that tooth in there and push it in place. Not this one, this one. And you can see how nice that is. All right. And then we can check occlusion, etc. Now, the idea is if you got several teeth, say I wanted to work on a molar instead, I'd have a vacancy here. I'll just say I didn't want to do anything, so I would just put the regular molar back in there similarly to that of this premolar. So if I want to work on the molar, put the pristine premolar back in while I'll work on that. So, and you can even have just sockets in all of these with replaceable teeth. Just like a Dremel. Now, I don't know about retention. Right now, this is kind of nice. There's a little friction retention going on in there, which is nice. There's no screw hole per se in the base of this, but if that's something you want to do is to coordinate a screw hole, then you can screw these in if you want to. There's options available. I just feel like that this stays nice, and there's almost like a friction lock in there. But I guess you can maybe figure that out. So again, you could put an anterior tooth in here too. Put an anterior tooth in and do the same thing. You can do root canals as well. You got an endo tooth. Put the endo tooth in there. Again, every student gets one of these. Now, if you made all this made out of plastic, and then I don't have to pour this up. It's just you buy it. And you put it in with the teeth, and off it goes. And now you've got a whole nother dimension. See that root canal in there? No problem. And then they can use files, etc. I even have a tooth extraction set up, so I can actually put a tooth in there, embed it in the stone, and then students have to section that tooth out. We coat the roots with a separator so that the root tips come out easily. So that was another method. So again, the waxing, same thing. Tooth preparations going. The separators that I use, I like this company, this master separator from Harvest. This seems to work pretty well with wax, porcelain, composites. Also works really well. I just paint a little bit down in there. And again, they can even buy this. You purchase this along with the whole kit. And then you have these waxing instruments you can use, with it. And also there's stuff from Whip Mix. They have different color wax you can use. You buy it together. All right, that's it, Mike. Or I'm going to call you Mike. Jim. Okay. Your ball's in your court, so you let me know how you like all this. All right, give me a call. I'll sign off now. Thanks, Jim. I appreciate it, and I look forward to your call back.